Correct 6,857 to three significant figures. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The number is 6,857. 6 is the first non-zero number. It means that 6 is the first significant figure. The second significant figure is 8, and the third significant figure is 5. The number after 5 is 7. 7 is more than 5, so you have to add 1 to 5, and that will give us 6. After adding 1 to 5 to get 6, we replace 7 with 0. And so when we do that, we will have 6, 8, 6, 0. So when we correct 6,857 to three significant figures, we are going to have 6,860. When we look through the options, you can see that the correct option is C, 6,860.